Hey guys, it's Peter at Wunderite. I want to show you how to put together an ACORD submission in less than 2 minutes. So I'm going to start with a driver list. I'm going to assume you have a driver list and a vehicle list, and I'm going to show you how we can get this onto an ACORD 127. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Import Spreadsheet. I'm going to click on that driver schedule and hit Open, and that's it. We basically have a list of all the different columns, and we can go ahead and map those. I'm going to hit Save Import. So now we've brought that driver list into Wunderite, and we can interact with it just like a spreadsheet, the way you'd expect with a spreadsheet. Very easy. Next, let's go to our vehicles section. And in this case, rather than importing, I just want to show you a list of VINs. And let's say you're working with data from an email, maybe a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. You can just copy that straight from Google Sheets or Excel or an email. I'm going to say we have 22 vehicles, and I'm just going to pop in those VINs by hitting Command V or Control V. Wunderite's going to automatically enrich the year, make, and model, and we'll also pull in things like a body class image along with gross vehicle weight. So in about 30 seconds, we've brought on the driver schedule and the vehicle schedule, and now I'm going to go to the forms section. I'm going to go ahead and just add a quick ACORD 127. And I can't spell ACORD, but that's okay. We have fuzzy search. I'm going to add that form and hit fill out. And then what Wunderite's going to do is we're going to automatically fill in the data that we've just imported onto the ACORD. So I'm going to hit the autofill button, and Wunderite's going to automatically fill in that driver schedule with all the drivers that we just imported. And if I scroll down, we'll also import that vehicle schedule, including not just the vehicle identification numbers over here, but also the year, make, and model, and in some cases the other third-party data that we've also pulled in. So that's it. That's how you can build a really quick auto submission. And if from here you can go ahead and send the form. You could send either the entire form, or maybe you could send a few specific questions to your customer or to your team member if you wanted to assign this application to a marketing manager or a producer and get it across the finish line. The last thing you might want to do here is you might want to actually put together an auto submission, and you can include certain files. So let's go ahead and add that ACORD 127 to the submission. Simple as that. That's how you can get a complete submission in a digital fashion, ready to share with the marketplace in less than 2 minutes.